Hello and welcome. Here's a quick overview of our support for comparison operators in Redwood Configurator rules available in Release 26A. In this release, we're introducing the ability to use comparison operators such as greater than, less than, equals, does not equal to, etc. within Redwood Configurator formula rules. This enhancement will allow you to define more advanced business logic, enabling finer control over your configurator's runtime behavior. Let's take a closer look. Our flow begins here within the Redwood Product Management work area in the context of the Vision Server X9 model within the Structure tab. I'll drill down into the Configurator Rules area, and from here we'll see all the rules that I've got defined for our model. Let's go ahead and create a new formula-based rule. I'll start by specifying a rule name, specify a start date for our rule, and select the rule type of formula. Next, let's go ahead and add details to our rule. And let's say we have a business requirement such that when the sum total of the network cards in our configurator is greater than 4, then the Cloud Compliance Auditing Service, which is a component within the child model, will also need to be selected. So first, we'll take the dual port network card, the quantity of the dual port network card, plus the quantity of the quad port network card. And if that quantity is greater than 4, we'll go ahead and select the Cloud Compliance Auditing Service, which is within the child model, within the Cloud Manages Services child model right here. We'll go ahead and validate our rule and save it. So now with our new rule defined and validated, let's go ahead and test its behavior. I'll go ahead now and click on the Actions menu and test our model. First, I'll select the first of the two network cards and set a quantity of 2 for the dual port network adapter and 1 for the quad port network adapter. At this point, we see nothing is selected below. I'll now go ahead and update the quantity of our second network adapter here to 3, which gives us a total of 5. And we immediately see that the Cloud Managed Services child model is selected. We drill down into the details. We now see that the Cloud Compliance Auditing Service specified in our rule is selected just as the rule had been defined. This wraps up our feature overview. Thank you for listening.